Here we are back at it again with an Ethereum market update. The day is the 3rd of September. We have important updates because it is the beginning of September. So, right, as we've seen last month, we were fighting between the sell line and this buy line. So these different resistances here. We ended at the bottom line, which was my buy line. And that's where we opened in the month of September. And, when we look closer, we can see what happened here. But right now, there's the big, on the larger time frame, possibility of coming down to like September being a bearish month and possibly retesting these levels here in the buy 2 and the buy 3 area. And then now we can get into the fun nitty gritty. So what we have here is a descending triangle where we break up, the target is the top of the triangle. So that's what I am currently trading. I've put in at the buy line, hoping for the bounce up to these higher levels, ultimately going for a bullish September, with my targets being here and the sell line and the all-time high. And the levels of support to really watch here is this line right here. This line right here. The 4-hour 200 simple moving average is like respected by Ethereum. So you'll see in this, we've been on a run. We got close to the line, run up, close to the line. And you'll see here, this was the initial breakout, right? We broke above this, traded, and then boom. And now we respect the line, right? Look at this. We touched it, bounced up, bounced off, right? And then broke in, right? And then, right, okay, no, now we're underneath, going, not really going bearish. And this is what I mean. Like when we're in the bull run, these areas are just great areas to buy, right? Because we expect the price to trade above this line during the bull run. So that's the support level, and really we're looking at in the next couple of days, right? The sandwich between this these highs here and the low here, we're looking at in the next, absolutely like within this week, if not next week, a big movement to either the upside or to the downside. And the levels to look at, if we break below, honestly, if we break below this level, this previous one right here, it might be looking pretty bad at 4180. But really looking for like a close, like a 4-hour close beneath this line, right? And you can see that this is just proof that this line is well respected here. So we're really looking at a movement like probably in the next couple of days, either to the upside or the downside. And it's very important because it will set the tone for the rest of the month. So that's something to look out for, and what I am currently doing for my trades. And yeah, if you want the price targets, I've been saying buy 1, buy 2, buy 3. My buy 2 at this important neckline is at like the 4,000 level at 4,060, 4,065. And then the buy 3 is back down at these lows here at 47.50. But honestly, I think it's likely that we actually hit like 36.25. We're really going to be testing the all-time lows of 33.60. So I know those are vastly different numbers, but I think that's what this is the real resistance to be looking for. So the possibility is actually like, from here down, 15, 16%. So if it's bearish, it's going to be fairly bearish. But have no fear. you can have a 20, you know, a 20%, 16% down month and still be bullish, as we can see, right? That same level drawn here is from here all the way down to this level here, 15%, right? And that would still be bullish and actually seems like a level that makes sense if we're really going to fully reject this candle, which we'll see. We'll see. You know, same thing kind of happened here. So I can see that this happening. So that's why I'm thinking to skip my buy 2 actually, and really kind of hope for a bigger dip to the buy 3 levels for when I buy again. Anyways, that's the market update for September 3rd, 2025 on the Ethereum chart. Thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe if you like the daily updates and want to keep up with my trades. Peace.